Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting an affiliate page focused on one niche, so begin by switching to a business or creator account and optimizing your bio. Once done, choose a profitable niche based on audience demand and 5-10 product ideas you can promote. Apply to relevant affiliate programs now because approvals can take days. Make sure your profile, content samples, and link strategy are ready. This immediate action gets the foundations live, so you can move quickly into structured content and link placement. You should produce consistent, valuable content that connects to your affiliate products. 3 pillar posts and 2 reels per week as a baseline. Once done, funnel traffic with a single landing link. Use Linktree or a simple landing page with UTM tracking for each offer so you can attribute conversions. Make sure every caption includes a clear CTA and product disclosure. Prepare reusable templates to speed up posting. This structure turns casual viewers into clickers and lets you optimize which content drives sales. You'll launch after you have a baseline of content. Aim for 10 posts and 5 reels so the feed looks established. Then measure click-through rate, conversion rate, and which links sell most. Use those metrics to reallocate promotional energy. If performance is weak, troubleshoot systematically. Revise CTAs, swap creative formats, test different landing page headlines, and try alternate affiliate offers. Make sure to /B one change at a time so you learn what moves the needle. This iterative approach
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.